Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. This is a channel for all post-production in Final Cut Pro. If you want to level up your skills in Final Cut Pro in any way, this is the channel. So if you're interested in that in any way, please consider subscribing because we drop content every week. So subscribe and look forward to that. Now today we have a simple video. It's going to be quick. And this is about the end credits in Final Cut Pro, how you can add and apply end credits in Final Cut Pro. So let's get right into it. So we have our clip here, and this is like the ending of a video. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna go to our titles tab, and we're gonna type in scroll, and you're gonna see this scrolling right here. And we can just apply that to our clip right here. And as you see, as we play this, the title and all that comes up. Looks pretty good. Now, if you don't like this font, it can be easily changed. So we can go right here to our inspector panel, and we can go to our text right here, and we can change what style of font we want. Totally up to you. Go help Victor right here. And you can also just insert what you want all these things to be right here. You can insert the name. And you can just insert those one by one if you want. To make this look even more realistic, we can go ahead and go to our effects tab right here and type in Gaussian. And we're gonna add a blur to our film right here. But we will be working with keyframes, so we're going to take the amount down right here on the Gaussian and take that all the way down to 0. Then we're going to add a keyframe, so click this right here. And when it gets to about right here, when we get to the title, we're going to add another keyframe and bring this up so this will blur out while the end credits come in. So as we can see, if we run this back, you see how the film is slowly going from clarity to that little blur that we applied with the keyframe. And that's a little trick that you can use if you want to, make the film look more professional. And that's it for today, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed. You can stretch this out if you want to make it even longer. Just depends on what you want. But if you are a video editor who is looking for exclusive and rare plugins, we have a website. Some are paid for and some are free. So if you can go check that out, that would be great. I appreciate you guys tuning in once again, and I'll see you guys soon. All right, bye.